Welcome to our PNC Bank mobile banking tutorial. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to transfer money and pay your bills. First, let's create your PNC Bank mobile account. Open the app and select Create Account to get started. Now that you're logged in, let's explore the dashboard and its features for easy navigation. To transfer money between your PNC accounts, select Transfer Money and choose the accounts involved. For transferring funds to other banks, simply select Transfer to Other Accounts and follow the prompts. Now let's set up your bill payments. Navigate to Bill Pay to add and manage your payments easily. You can view your bill payment history by selecting Payment History to keep track of your past transactions. To schedule recurring payments, choose Schedule Payment and set the frequency that suits your needs. Your security is our priority. Ensure you're using features like two-factor authentication for transactions. Thank you for joining us. For more resources, visit our help section within the app. Happy banking!